In a quiet village surrounded by golden fields, the sun blazed without mercy. Day after day the sky stayed empty, and the rain never came. The earth cracked beneath tired feet, and silence replaced the sound of flowing water. Hope began to fade. The rivers dried, the wells stood hollow, and the people grew weary. Crops withered into dust, animals bowed their heads in weakness, and families searched desperately for a single drop of water. Fear filled the air, but Mary's heart refused to surrender. Mary remembered a hidden spring deep in the forest, a place she had once stumbled upon as a child. With courage burning inside her, she set out alone. The sun scorched her skin, the rocky hills tested her strength, and thorny bushes tore at her dress. Yet with every step, she whispered to herself, "I must not give up." After her long and painful journey, Mary reached the spring. Clear water bubbled from the earth, sparkling like liquid light. She knelt down, tears of relief mixing with the cool drops, and filled her jar. In that moment, hope was reborn. Mary carried the heavy jar back to her village, her arms aching but her spirit soaring. When she poured the water into the empty well, the people gasped with joy. Children clapped, elders wept, and laughter returned to faces that had forgotten how to smile. Together, the villagers built a channel from the spring to their home. Water flowed once more, fields turned green, and life returned to the land. The sound of laughter filled the air, and Mary stood proudly among her people, knowing she had helped bring back their future. Mary's bravery showed that even the smallest person can bring the greatest change. Her courage turned despair into life, and her hope lit the path for others. When the world feels dry and empty, remember, one heart full of faith can water an entire village.